Hello friends, welcome to your Newton online class. In this particular video, I want to solve this particular question on the board here, which is mathematics, precisely from the topic known as statistics mathematics. And the challenging question there is from pie chart. Now let's read the question. The pie chart shows the distribution of the number of candidates offering biology, B, geography, G, economics, E, French, F, and history, H, in a school certificate class of 60 students. Find the number of students offering economics. Then the pie chart is given like this. And you can see funny thing about this pie chart, that none of the angles is given. They are all given in terms of Y. So they are all unknown. We are only given the number of students that are in the class. Now let's proceed to the solution. Now, in order to solve this question, the first of all, we have to equate all these angles. We sum them and equate them to 360 degrees. This is because the sum of angles at a point or in a circle is 360 degrees. So we have that 3y degree for history plus y plus 21 degree, which is for French, plus 2y plus 12 degrees, which is for geography, plus 3y plus 12 degrees, which is for economics, plus 3y plus 27 degrees, which is for biology, all equals to 360 degrees. So this is the information. Now, this is the equation we have now. Now, the next thing we have to do is to simplify this equation. Now, we collect like terms. By collecting like terms, we collect all the terms in y, they are like terms. Then all the numbers are like terms. So we have that 3y plus y, since they are all positive, so we can go direct, adding them. 3y plus y is 4y. It is like when you have 3 pencils plus 1 pencil. That's 4y plus 2y, we have 6y, plus another 3y, we have 9y, plus another 3y, we have 12y. So we have 12y plus, then we go to numbers. 21 plus 12 will give us 33. 33 plus 12 will give us, we have 33 plus 12. This one is 21 plus 12 here gives us 33. Then the 33 plus 12 will give us 45. Then 45 plus 27, we add 27. This 5 plus 7 will give 12, right? To carry 1, put 1 here. It becomes 5 plus 2, 7, have 72. Then we have plus 72 equals 360. That's what we have. Okay, then we'll still collect like terms further. We now have 12y equals 360 degrees. This 72 being positive here, when it crosses this side, it becomes minus 72 degrees. Then we have 12y degree equals, then when we do 360 minus 72, carry 1 put it becomes 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, leaving us with 5 here. 5 minus 7 cannot go, we put 1 becomes 15, 15 minus 7 we have 8, remaining 2 here, bring it down. So we have 288 here. Therefore, dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 12, we have y equals 288 all over 12. Then we can divide this even with our calculator, taking it gradually to the lowest term. So we have that 3 can divide this. Yes, 3 can go. 3 can divide this to give us 4. Then 3 can divide this. 3 into 28 gives us 3 into 27 give us 9. We have 9. Remember 1. Put the 1 here. It becomes 18. 3 into 18 gives us 6. So we have 9, 6 over 4. Then we go further. We can divide this with 4. 4 divided itself 1. Then 4 divided 9 gives us 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. Remaining 1. Add the 1 here, it becomes 16. 4 divided 16, get 4. So we have that our y equals 24 degrees. So that y that is hidden in the question is 24 degrees. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are only interested in economics as the question specifies. So we now substitute the value of y and that of economics. Now we take out, then for the angle of economics, we have that it was given as 3y plus 12 degrees. Then when you substitute now, it becomes 3 brackets. Our y is 24 plus 12, which will now give us 3 times 24. We find out quickly 24 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. You write 2, carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. We have 72. So this will give us 72 plus 12, which will give us 2 plus 2 here, have 4. Then have 7 plus 1, have 8. It's 4 degrees. So the angle for economics is 84 degrees. Now, having obtained the angle for economics, but that's not the question. The question asks us to find the number of students, the actual number of students that offer economics. So for us to go further, what we're going to do now, we use this angle of the sector, that is the proportion for economics in the pie chart, to now find the actual number of students that do what? That offer economics. Now, how do we do that? This is the formula. We have that. Now, let the number of students, number of students, and the economic students, let them be what? Let them be n. Let them be n. So we now find that we now have that n over total number of students is 60. N over 60 times 360 degrees over 1 gives us this 84 degrees. That is the normal formula how to find it. Sectorial angles proportional to each item in a pie chart. It is the actual number of that item, or the value or the quantity, over the total sum of the items in the info that are given, times 360, which is angle in a circle. We give you the sectorial angle of that particular item in a pie chart. So that's what I just applied here. Now, having this now, you can see that this 0 can cancel 0. 6 divided 6, you have 6. So 6 times n, have that 6n equals 84 degrees. So that making n subject formula, have that n equals 84 divided by 6. And that will give us 6 divided 8. You have 1, 1, remember 2. Put it here, equals 24. 6 divided 24 is 4. So the answer is what? 14 students. So the actual number of students that offer economics are 14 students. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this mathematics with me. You can see that science and mathematics are fun. So for further solutions in challenges like this in mathematics and physics, then you can simply go to my YouTube channel and enjoy yourself. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Subscription